Morning guys, in front of me is Redmi M6 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first enroll settings, then find and select wallpaper and personalization, and here just pick the picture that you want to cover your screen with. As you can see, you've got so many albums. You can also use your own photos if you wish. You can tap on find more and then pick one from online wallpapers. Just pick whatever you like the most. I'll go with this one. And now just mark on apply. Then decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I'll go with both. Tap on agree. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.